back to my channel. Kasha M here. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching my video. I'm doing a quick video today about Minecraft and party favors. You know, my child's obsession with Minecraft is ridiculous. Like, I'm not kidding. Every Lego set, anything Minecraft or Lego related, he has to have. So, of course, his 7th birthday had to be Minecraft. So, I went to the party store. I looked for everything and anything that was, you know, happy birthday signs, all that. Okay, I got all that. But the party favors stink. There's nothing really cool out there for party favors. And don't even get me started about cakes. No one has a cake design for Minecraft. So we had to improvise. And I'll show you that to you in another video, what I did, what I'm doing for the Minecraft cake. I'm kind of excited about it, but I mean, it's the best I can do without breaking the bank. And that's what I'm all about. Having a great party, having something to remember it with, pictures, all that fun stuff, and of course having something to take home, because of course every kid looks forward to that party favor, that little goodie bag. So I'm creating a goodie bag and I thought, what am I gonna throw in there? So my girlfriend says, what, you haven't hit Pinterest yet? Kasha, you Pinterest queen? Of course I've hit Pinterest, but who's got time, right? And I really didn't look well enough on Pinterest to find anything that I liked. So my friend tells me, what about a water bottle? What about a pail? So of course I hit the dollar store. I went looking for these pails. You know, what's $1 for a pail, I guess, for 25 to 30 kids, right? I mean, it does add up, plus you still need to put labor into it. And I thought, well, what am I gonna do? Oh my gosh, I banked. Get this, look what I found. I found these water bottles. Now usually they come two to a package. They're 3-throw pack to a package. This is 3 bottles for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Okay, all I need is some electrical tape, black electrical tape, and a good pair of scissors and just 20 minutes. So I bought 30 of these bottles, so 10 packs, $10. You can't go wrong because, come on, party favors can cost a lot of money. We all know, and you know, some of them aren't even fun, or they're like garbage. The kids are gonna junk them, like little tops, or these at least they can use, whether it be to squirt each other with, or they can drink out of them. Let me do this real time with you. I'm gonna try to show it with my hands. Sharp pair of scissors, electrical tape. I cut about a 2.5 inch strip, 2.5 to 3 inch strip off of the electrical tape. That's about 2 inches that I did. Okay. Now remember, Minecraft is all about squares. So you need 2 eyes, a mouth, incisors, and I put a little connector piece to make it look like the nose and the mouth are here. So let me start with the eyes, 1 square. Try to get as close as possible without having to measure. Okay, so I got the eyes. I need the mouth. And then this piece right here, I'm gonna cut down the middle lengthwise to create incisors. Try to get as close to the middle as possible. Fell. It's okay. Incisors. So now you're gonna take the bottle and you're gonna stick on one eye, another eye. And then the incisors. Now when I tape on the incisors, I want them to go in the middle of the other piece. So when this horizontal, you want to offset it a little bit to create the look of teeth sticking out of his mouth. And there you have it. Now if you want, you can add another little piece right here to create a bigger mouth. I will do because I did it on all the other ones. There you have it. You have a creeper. It's awesome because these do come in different colors, but of course creepers are green. And I mean, look at this. I already created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. And that's like 5 minutes. There you have it. Creepers under what, $12 if you want to include the electrical tape and the scissors if you have to buy a new pair. So this is a great party favor for 30 kids. I'm gonna throw in some candy into a loop bag that I purchased at Party City. Awesome, done. The kids are gonna love it. Thank you to my girlfriend for giving me this idea because truly, I think this is a Pinterest worthy idea. You could do this with the pail as well. The pails were a little more expensive because they were $1 a piece, but maybe you can get a deal someplace else. But this was 3 for $1. You can't go wrong. So under 12 bucks, can't go wrong. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. I have more Minecraft ideas coming up that I will be posting. I have a few new tricks up my sleeve because truly there isn't really much out there for Minecraft birthday parties. So I'm excited about sharing what I did do, and I hope that you like them. Subscribe again, comment, share. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Kasha M signing out.